Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, dear students. This is online class for grade 6 mathematics. Myself Rafaqat Ali, and today date is 26 March. So let's start the lesson. In the previous lesson we discussed up to the 6 questions, how to find out the volume. Now we are going to see the next page, page number 281 on your book. You can see easily. From question number 7 to 12 is similar as like the previous 6 questions. Just multiply length by breadth by height. 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2, you can find out the volume of the cuboid. Now the next example, find the volume of cuboid with the given side. With the given side, volume of the cuboid. Find the volume of the cuboid with the given side, 6 centimeter. Given side mean one single side is given. So now 6 volume of cube is equals to, here both all the three sides equal, length, breadth and height are equal. So you will multiply this 3 times. In the previous questions the sides were given. Now all the sides equal, same given but equal. So this is called cube. 6 multiply 6 multiply by 6. So 6 multiply 6 36, and then multiply by 6 equal to 216. So now what you will do in these 13 to 21 questions, multiply all these values by 3 times and find the volume of the cube. Let's see the exercise number 19b. Draw a cube of side 8 centimeter. How many cube of side 2 centimeter would be needed to fill the same place? Now we here the value given, the big box given, so you can find out the 1 unit. Means here all the values given, 1 2 3 4 boxes this side given, 1 2 3 4 boxes this side given. So now the question is, how much the measurement of one box? The all boxes 8. It's very simple. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 means all the sides have equal. So 4 boxes, definitely one box will be how much centimeters? Definitely it is 2 centimeters. How? 1 2 3 4 4 divided by 8. One box equal 2 centimeters. You can see here one box equal 2 centimeters. This is called top layer, third layer, second layer, bottom layer. This is similar one to the previous which we have discussed. The bottom layer requires 4 multiply 4 16 cubes of side 2 centimeter, and there are 4 layers altogether. Therefore 64 cubes are required. This one is 2 centimeter. And now how many total cubes are there? How many total cubes are there? In one layer, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. In one layer 16. In the other layer, this second layer 16, third layer 16, and the fourth layer 16. So how much will be the total? 64 cubes are required to find out this area, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Next page. Now you will draw the cuboid. Draw a cube of side 4 centimeter. Draw the cube of side 4 centimeter. How many cubes of side 2 centimeter would be needed to fill the same space? Draw the cuboid of 4 centimeter. 1 cube is equals to 2 centimeter. So how many cubes will be in the front? Definitely 2 and 2 will become 4. So 2 cubes up and 2 cubes like this. So 4 cubes in one. 4 cubes needed in one slide. Come back to the point with this same question. See here 8 centimeters. In question number 1, 4 centimeter. So the answer will be definitely the half, because this 2 centimeter is same. Just remove the upper one. Just remove this lower 2 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we need 8 boxes in one layer. 8 boxes in another layer. 8 boxes in another layer, and 8 boxes in another layer. So how much total needed? 32 needed. Next question. Draw a cuboid measuring 6 centimeters by 4 centimeter by 2 centimeter. 6 centimeter by 4 centimeter by 2 centimeters. Now come back. 6, 4 and 2. 1 is 2 centimeter. As you can see here, 1 is 2 centimeter would be needed. So this is similar, 2 centimeter for 1. Six, 4 and 2. One side we need 6, means this would be 6. How much we need? 1, 2, 3. And other side 4. 1, 2. And then 1, 2 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from one side, 2 from the other side. So how much total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6, 12. We need 12 cuboids. Like this you can solve. So if you have any confusion, listen this lesson again. Inshallah you can clear it. Take care. See you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.